Hey guys, I'm Lina Itzmira and I'm AirAsia All-Star. Did you guys know during Ramadan and Hari Raya, AirAsia Delivers has come up with a package called Mubarak Fresh Pack. And today I received one of the packages. What's inside my bag is ingredients to make coconut pancakes with mango coulis. Come, let's check out what's inside the bag. So I have two separated ingredients, one for the dry pancakes and another one is for the puree. So for my dry ingredients, I have plain flour, baking soda, vanilla extract, baking powder, coconut milk, fresh milk, and also egg. As you guys can see, it is nicely packed and it is very hygienic. And for the wet ingredient, I have mint leaves, lemon juice, butter, mango, and that's it. This is a great package for more and also light snack and also dessert. Everything is already measured out, as you can see, like I showed you just now, and recipe is online. Not just that, if you have no idea how to cook, you can just check out at their website. There is a cooking video tutorial. So for today, we have a promotion, and this is retail price is 35 ringgit. That is before discount, but after 50% discount, you do the math. This is a steal. So guys, this is how you make pancakes. Since the measurement is created, I'm going to put everything inside my bowl. First is the dry ingredients. This is plain flour, then baking soda, baking powder, salt, and also brown sugar. What you do is just whisk it. So next is the wet ingredients: 1 egg, coconut milk, fresh milk, this is coconut oil, and lastly vanilla extract. And whisk it again. So guys, I'm pretty much done and I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna make mango coulis. So first, what I need is obviously the pan, the spatula, and okay, now my pan is already hot. I'm gonna add on butter. Next is mango. So I'm gonna cook until it is brown before I'm gonna mash the mangoes. Before that, I'm gonna add lemon juice. And lastly, some salt. So I'll cook this for 5 minutes until it turns brown. So now it's time to cook my pancake. First thing first, butter in my frying pan. So for the size of the pancake, to me agak-agak lah, it's entirely up to you. So now I'm gonna flip it. So this is how my pancake looks like. It is very easy and convenient because, like I mentioned just now, all the ingredients are curated. I do not have to worry about how to prepare it, and even there's cooking video tutorial on the website. So guys, don't forget, today we have 50% discount on all Mubarak Fresh Pack. Grab it while it lasts. Oh, don't forget the promo code is Raya50. This is how my pancake looks like. Selamat mencuba and selamat berpuasa!